in Russia, where the crew was interned. Finding a favorable tailwind, the other 15 B-25s made it to China, but now at night and in stormy weather. Imagine what it was like, ladies and gentlemen, as 16 of these aircraft took off from an aircraft carrier on their way to Spain. Unable to find their airfields in Chaochao, China, in bad weather, the crews had to bail out or ditch their aircraft. 2 of the men drowned after ditching. 1 died after his parachute malfunctioned. 8 were captured. 3 of those were executed by the Japanese firing squad. 1 died from severe malnutrition, and believe it or not, 4 of them came home, victims of torture and solitary confinement for 3.5 years. 56 raiders found themselves behind Japanese lines in occupied China. Friendly Chinese peasant farmers and militia assisted these airmen to evade the rampaging Japanese troops, who were infuriated and humiliated by the American bomb. Japanese troops massacred an estimated 250,000 Chinese civilians in reprisal for the assistance given to the young American airmen. Suddenly, the headlines across America boldly celebrated American bombers hit Tokyo. Imagine the boost to morale of the American public and military. Lieutenant Colonel Jimmy Doolittle was promoted to Brigadier General and awarded the Medal of Honor. All of the raiders were given the Distinguished Flying Cross. For over 71 years, the raiders held a reunion on the anniversary of the raid and drank a toast to those that were gone, for the now famous Silver Goblets. And over the past 18 years, Panchito has had the honor of participating in many of those reunions. And of course, those of you may know, we lost our last Doolittle Raider this year. From your right, ladies and gentlemen, here comes Panchito to show you what the Japanese would have seen on that fateful day, April 18th, 1942. As Panchito makes its turn back to Show Center, the crew will show you the business side of the Mitchell bomber. If you have a camera, be prepared to zoom in and open them as the bomb bay doors will open and see the full reloads of full load of 500-pound demolition bomb. The bombs in Panchito are signed by dozens of B-25 combat veterans who have met over the past 18 years as they travel around the country. 18 of the Doolittle Raiders have signed one of the bombs, and 3 Raiders have flown Panchito. now approaching for a level bomb run. Watch the bomb bay doors open as she nears show center. And C targets were field modifications that were made to the B-25, a very effective weapon at attacking airfields, ships, trains, and convoys. One model carried a 75mm cannon to the nose, basically a Sherman tank gun. Imagine 4 B-25s approaching the Japanese airfield at treetop height at 335 miles an hour, 56 50 caliber machine guns blazing. Aircraft bombs rain down and the bombers as they passing over the airfield. As she nears show center, the crew will show you the beautiful profile of the North American B-25 missile bomber. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, the B-25. If you missed your opportunity the first time, well, we're going to make another photo pass for you this time from the right to left. Panchito is coming back for his final pass to give you one more chance to take a look at this beautiful aircraft. Our flight crew today is Larry Kelly, the pilot, co-pilot Sabrina Nip, crew chief spotter is Mike Moore. Feisty Mexican rooster in Walt Disney's 1944 animated musical, The Three Caballeros. Panchito served as a bomber in the 396 Bomb Squadron, 41st Bomb Group of the 7th Air Force, stationed on Okinawa during the hot summer of 1945. This particular aircraft, Panchito, was built by the North American Aviation Factory in Kansas City in the fall of 1944. She has two Curtiss Wright 14-cylinder, 2,600 cubic inch radial engines, developing 1,700 horsepower each at only 2,600 RPM. Nearly 11,000 B-25s were built during World War II. Approximately 30 survive today, but only about 25 fly regularly. Panchito has 13 50-caliber machine guns and carries up to 3,000 pounds of bombs, depth charges, incendiary bombs, parafrag bombs, or even a torpedo. 8 5-inch HVAR rockets can be mounted on hard points underneath the wings. The crew of B-25 consisted of 6 men: a pilot, co-pilot, bombardier navigator, top turret gunner and engineer, radio operator, waist gunner, and a tail gunner. This beautiful aircraft was 8 years in the restoration, then by Tom Riley, and finished in 1986.